Recently, the news about the so-called Taiwan Disneyland sparked public attention, even leading some members of the Disney International team to mistakenly believe that HungMeng International had copied its own original work. In truth, the Shanghai Disneyland Castle was created by HungMeng International, together with French designer, manufactured and pre-assembled in our Zhuhai factory, under strict Disney confidentiality and quality standards. We value originality and integrity above all. Every sculpted curve, every architectural detail is a promise to excellence and respect for the creator's vision. To clarify the facts, we are now sharing parts of the original construction footage to let the truth speak for itself and to show the craftsmanship, precision, and dedication behind one of the world's most iconic castles. When the media reports on topics like this, they should also bear the responsibility to verify and fact-check their information. Because this recent news about the so-called Taiwan Disneyland has not only drawn public attention in Taiwan, but even led members of the Disney International team to mistakenly believe that HungMeng had copied the very project it once helped to create. Such a misunderstanding has caused us great concern. Now being mistaken as having copied ourselves, and even being questioned about our level of craftsmanship, is deeply regrettable for every team member who once dedicated themselves to those Disney projects. Therefore, we hope that through our archival construction footage and behind-the-scenes documentation, more people will come to understand the truth, the genuine effort, precision, and artistry behind this castle's creation, and the story of professionalism, originality, and respect it represents.